Perfume is older than writing itself. Ancient Egyptians, Persians, and Romans used fragrance for rituals, healing, and royalty.
Every perfume begins in nature. Flowers, woods, spices, and resins that hold aromatic molecules.
Flowers are harvested at dawn, when their aromatic concentration is at its peak.
Some ingredients are rarer than gold, shaping the luxury perfume market.
What began as ancient art is now a global, high-precision industry.
Early perfumers were chemists, healers, and artists combined.
Smell is the only sense directly connected to memory and emotion.
But how do these raw materials become a perfectly balanced perfume?
Steam distillation is the backbone of essential oil extraction, used for centuries and refined by modern industry.
Improper loading can damage petals and alter the final aroma.
Heat opens plant cells, allowing aromatic molecules to evaporate with steam. Because oils are lighter than water, they naturally separate, pure fragrance captured.
Some flowers cannot survive heat. Solvent extraction preserves their true aroma.
The result is an absolute, one of the most concentrated forms of fragrance.
Supercritical CO2 extraction captures scent without heat or solvents.
Every batch is tested for purity, balance, and safety. Before blending, oils must rest and stabilize.
Now comes the art, turning science into scent.
A perfumer is both scientist and artist, balancing molecules to create emotion.
Professional perfumers train for years to recognize thousands of scent molecules.
Top notes attract, heart notes define, and base notes anchor a fragrance.
A single drop can change the identity of a perfume.
Every formula is carefully recorded to ensure consistency.
Alcohol carries scent molecules, allowing them to evaporate evenly on skin.
Maceration allows notes to harmonize and soften.
A perfume may take hundreds of trials before perfection.
Perfumes must remain stable across climates.
Now it's ready to become a product.
Once perfected, a fragrance must be reproduced with absolute precision, millions of times. Industrial tanks replicate lab formulas at massive scale. Automation ensures each batch matches the original formula exactly.
Filtration removes microscopic particles for visual perfection. Even industrial perfume needs time to mature. Each batch is compared against a master standard. Filling lines operate in sterile conditions to protect fragrance integrity.
Thousands of bottles are sealed every hour. AI ensures only flawless bottles continue. Now, scent meets identity.
In perfumery, the bottle is the first promise of the scent inside.
Perfume bottles are engineered to protect fragrance while expressing luxury.
Every curve and engraving reinforces brand identity.
Surface finishes transform glass into art.
A perfect spray requires exact engineering.
Luxury demands accuracy at every step.
Packaging communicates emotion before scent is even released.
Even automated lines rely on human judgment.
The final product is designed to seduce the senses.
Beauty must also be safe.
Every perfume must pass strict international safety standards before reaching consumers.
Each ingredient is screened for skin safety and allergenic potential.
The International Fragrance Association sets global usage limits.
Perfumes must remain stable across climates and years. Modern perfumery relies on cruelty-free safety science. Even trace contamination can compromise a fragrance.
Human noses remain the ultimate quality control tool.
After production, perfumes enter a carefully managed supply chain to maintain quality.
Automation ensures speed and reduces damage during handling.
Even after packing, quality control continues. Perfumes are sensitive to heat and moisture, requiring careful storage.
Transportation logistics protect both the product and brand value.
From factories to markets worldwide, perfumes travel thousands of miles.
The journey concludes at the point of discovery, where scent meets the consumer. Digital systems ensure that fragrances reach their destinations efficiently and safely.
Packaging, presentation, and placement reinforce brand identity.
Perfume is now a global industry, connecting cultures through scent.
Synthetic aroma chemicals expand creative possibilities while maintaining consistency.
Sustainable sourcing reduces environmental impact and ensures future supply.
Artificial intelligence can predict appealing combinations, speeding up creation.
Technology now allows consumers to design their own perfumes on demand.
Packaging innovations blend aesthetics with sustainability.
Global markets are evolving, driving innovation and accessibility.
Future perfumery focuses on emotional engagement as much as chemistry.
From nature and tradition to innovation and technology, perfumery continues to evolve.